Welcome to Auto Experience, your go-to channel for the latest insights into the world of automobiles. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a first-time buyer, or someone simply looking to stay updated on the newest trends in the automotive industry, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated 2025 Ford Explorer, a model that brings a fresh wave of excitement to the SUV market. We will cover its key specifications, features, and reviews to give you a comprehensive understanding of what makes this new version of the Explorer worth considering. The 2025 Ford Explorer stands as a testament to Ford's commitment to blending innovation with practicality. As one of the most popular midsize SUVs, the Explorer continues to push boundaries with its refined design, improved technology, and enhanced driving dynamics. It retains the rugged charm of the previous generation while integrating the modern luxuries that drivers have come to expect. First, let's talk about the exterior. The 2025 Ford Explorer features a sleek, aerodynamic design with bold lines that give it a confident presence on the road. It has a more aggressive front grille, redesigned headlights with signature LED lighting, and a muscular stance that commands attention. The overall shape of the vehicle is dynamic, offering an athletic yet refined profile that appeals to both urban and adventure-seeking drivers. The exterior dimensions are also optimized for practicality, providing ample space inside without making the vehicle too bulky to maneuver in tight spaces. When it comes to the interior, Ford has truly elevated the comfort and luxury levels in the 2025 Explorer. The cabin is spacious and features a premium feel with high-quality materials and thoughtful details. The dashboard has been redesigned with a more modern, tech-centric approach, housing a large digital display for the instrument cluster and an intuitive infotainment system that runs on the latest version of Ford's Sync software. This setup provides seamless connectivity to your smartphone and offers features like voice recognition, navigation, and real-time traffic updates. The interior also boasts a configurable layout with plenty of legroom, especially in the second and third rows, making it an excellent choice for families or those who enjoy long road trips. The 2025 Explorer offers multiple trims to suit a range of preferences and needs. Whether you're after a sportier, performance-focused model like the SD or prefer the luxurious platinum trim, there's an Explorer that will meet your demands. Each trim comes with a variety of customization options, allowing you to personalize your vehicle to match your style. Under the hood, the 2025 Explorer offers a variety of powertrains designed to provide a balance of performance and efficiency. The base model comes with a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that delivers an impressive mix of power and fuel economy. For those seeking a bit more muscle, Ford offers a V6 engine option that provides more horsepower, making the Explorer an ideal choice for towing and off-road adventures. If you're interested in an eco-friendly option, the Explorer Hybrid delivers excellent fuel efficiency while maintaining the vehicle's performance capabilities. The hybrid powertrain combines a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor, delivering a smooth, responsive drive without compromising on power. The driving dynamics of the 2025 Ford Explorer have been significantly enhanced with a revised suspension system, offering a smooth and comfortable ride while maintaining agility on the road. The SUV comes standard with rear-wheel drive, but all-wheel drive is available for those who need extra traction during adverse weather conditions or when venturing off the beaten path. The Explorer's handling has been fine-tuned to provide a balance of comfort and sportiness, ensuring that whether you're commuting through the city or heading out on an adventure, the drive will be enjoyable and confident. When it comes to safety, Ford continues to prioritize driver and passenger protection. The 2025 Explorer is equipped with an array of advanced safety features, many of which are standard across all trims. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. The vehicle is also equipped with a 360-degree camera system that provides a bird's-eye view of the surroundings, making it easier to park and navigate tight spaces. Additionally, The Explorer's sturdy build and advanced driver assistance technologies ensure that it remains one of the safest vehicles in its class. Technology is another area where the 2025 Ford Explorer excels. The large touchscreen in the center console is easy to use and provides access to a wide range of features, including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system. The Explorer also offers wireless charging capabilities, multiple USB ports, and an available rear seat entertainment system to keep passengers entertained on long journeys. Ford has ensured that both the driver and passengers are well connected and comfortable, no matter how long the ride may be. One of the standout features of the 2025 Explorer is its towing capacity. With the right equipment, the Explorer can tow up to 5,600 pounds, making it an excellent choice for those who need to haul a boat, trailer, or camper. Whether you're heading out on a weekend getaway or hauling heavy gear, the Explorer has the capability to get the job done. In terms of fuel economy, the 2025 Ford Explorer offers competitive numbers across its various powertrains. The base turbocharged 4-cylinder engine provides an excellent balance of power and efficiency, while the hybrid model delivers impressive miles per gallon, especially for those who prioritize eco-friendliness. The V6 engine, while slightly less fuel efficient, still provides a solid performance for those who require additional power for towing or off-road excursions. Inside, the 2025 Ford Explorer is loaded with convenience features that make everyday driving a breeze. Keyless entry, push-button start, and a hands-free liftgate are just a few of the amenities available to enhance your experience. The Explorer also offers an optional panoramic sunroof, which adds a touch of luxury and allows you to enjoy the outdoors while traveling. Now, let's take a moment to talk about the driving experience. The 2025 Ford Explorer offers a confident and composed ride, thanks to its robust chassis and well-tuned suspension. Whether you're driving through the city or hitting the trails, the Explorer handles various road conditions with ease. The steering is precise, and the cabin remains quiet and comfortable, even on rougher roads. The available all-wheel drive gives the Explorer extra stability, particularly in snowy or slippery conditions, while the rear-wheel drive models offer a more engaging, sporty feel. In conclusion, the 2025 Ford Explorer is a well-rounded SUV that offers a compelling blend of power, performance, technology, and comfort. Whether you're looking for a reliable family hauler, an off-road adventurer, or a vehicle with impressive towing capabilities, the Explorer is more than capable of meeting those needs. Its bold new design, advanced features, and versatile engine options make it a strong contender in the midsize SUV market. If you're in the market for a new vehicle, the 2025 Ford Explorer deserves a place on your shortlist. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Auto Experience for more in-depth reviews, the latest news, and expert opinions on all things automotive. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.